Look, my husband is about to come. I can't come.
Okay, then I'll come to meet you. And anyway, I'm below your society.
Are you crazy or what? I'm married now.
I know that you are married. So if you don't want me to be a problem for you, then come down.
Why don't you understand, yaar? I can't come.
Okay then, I'll come up then.
No. Wait, I'm coming. You came?
Yes, I just arrived. I'm on a call.
Okay, you talk. I'll go and bring my parcel downstairs.
How are you, Ria? You have forgotten me?
I have not forgotten you. My life is changed after getting married.
I went away for a few months and you got married.
Yes, it was an arranged marriage, so didn't get any chance to tell you.
You should have thought of me.
What do you mean? What can I think?
You knew that I liked you.
We were just good friends, Dushyant. Nothing more than that.
I proposed to you.
Yes, but I refused as well, na? I never saw you with those eyes. I just thought you are just a good friend.
Ria, I did not help you because of friendship. I liked you, so I helped you, so we could get closer.
Seriously? I thought you were helping me because we are good friends. If I had known na that you were helping me because of your selfish reasons, I would have never asked help from you.
Wow. So now your work is done, so you are saying that you wouldn't have taken my help. You do one thing, you return my money right now.
How can I return your money right now? At least give me some time.
Okay, I'm giving you 1 week's time, but I want my money back within this 1 week.
Fine. Now before that, no need to message or call me.
Okay. Did you bring the parcel?
Actually, it was a wrong order, so I returned it.
Okay. You tell me the truth. Who was that man you were talking with?
Actually, he was just my friend before marriage. Once my father had to undergo an operation, but we were unable to arrange money from anywhere, so I asked help from him. He gave me 5 lakh rupees. But he helped because of some other reason.
What reason?
Actually, he used to like me. He proposed me as well. I refused him. I told him that we are just good friends, not more than that.
Okay. You pack up your things and got out of here.
Sanju, I am saying true. He was just my good friend.
He was your friend or something else. Whether you are telling the truth or lying, I have nothing to do with that. Just pack your things and get out of here.
Without my any fault, how can you throw me out of the home like this?
How do I know if it was your fault or not? All I know is that I can't live with you anymore. Man, I was just out for a bit. I'll call you. Ria, what happened? Why are you crying?
Nothing.
What happened? Did your husband see you with me?
Yes. You shouldn't have come here.
Oh, it was not your fault. Yet your husband threw you out of the house. It's okay. You do one thing. You come with me. I'll keep you with me.
I don't want to go anywhere with you. I love only Sanju. If I'll live with him or alone.
You fell in love in an arranged marriage.
To love, a person should be nice. Marriage is love or arrange, it doesn't matter.
I can see that how good person he is. He threw you out of the house without your mistake. It's okay. You come with me. I'll keep you with me.
Leave my hand!
I'll make you very happy.
I told you na, leave my hand!
Leave her hand. How dare you touch my wife? Oh, so you are her husband. I want to take 5 lakhs from your wife. If you have to take 5 lakhs from her, it doesn't mean that you will touch her. You'll misbehave with her. Okay, I won't. Just give me my money. This is a 6 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees is your interest. And if you are seen around my wife from today onwards, then I'll kill you. Are you okay?
I was so much afraid when you told me to go out from the home.
I'm sorry for that. I just wanted to see if you would go with him if I threw out of the house.
Before going with somebody else, I will prefer to die. I only love you.
Me too. I love you.
I love you too.
Swara, I'm going to the office. Sir, don't go to the office today. You hide here. But why? Sir, I want to show you something. You just hide here. But what do you want to show me? Sir, you just keep quiet. You will know everything.
Hey, did your sir go to the office?
Yes, ma'am. He went.
Go outside and check if he went or not.
Yes. Ma'am, sir went.
Okay, go and do your work.
Okay.
Hello, Sagar. Baby, where are you?
Yes, I'm sitting in the car outside the society.
Okay, come upstairs quickly. Sanju has left.
Okay, I'll just come.
Okay.
Your stupid husband went to office.
Yes, he went. I got peace. In a day, at least I get happiness and peace both.
How is that?
When he goes, you come to me. And by staying with you, I get peace and happiness both.
Then why don't you leave him?
Have some patience. He's going to make me the director of his company. He will transfer 49% of the shares in my name.
What? Really?
Yes, really. Once he transfers it in my name, after that I'll take divorce from him. And in the name of alimony, will take his half of the property.
Wow, you said it right. If all this goes as planned, then we'll enjoy our whole life. We will not have to do anything. We'll enjoy our life fully.
And I'm doing all this for you.
By the way, you did the right thing by marrying him. And I thought that you might forget me after marriage.
I can never forget you. My family didn't get me married to you. I was not able to say them anything. You were not doing anything. Just once, everything will get transferred on my name. After that, I'll give him divorce and we'll get married.
Madam, don't you feel ashamed? Sir loves you so much and you are cheating him.
You go and do your work. No need to give much lectures. Get lost from here.
The servant is not saying too much. You are servant, so be servant only. Don't be a master. I'm not saying too much. If you loved her truly, then you wouldn't have let anyone else get married. The truth is that you don't have to do anything in your life. You just want everything for free. Oh, dare you! Slap won't change the truth. Is it? I think you don't understand yet. I have a solution for that also.
So, Sanju, you went to the office, right?
It's good that I didn't go. And I saw your double face. You act so nice in front of me. You show so much love. And behind me, you have made a boyfriend. That too before marriage. And if you loved him and wanted to live with him, then why did you marry me?
It's nothing like that. He's after me. I tell him that I can't betray Sanju, but he comes to home forcefully.
There is no use of all this now. I've recorded everything you said on the phone. I'll talk to you later. First, let me hand you over to the police. Wait. Police? Hey. Did you rely on him? Huh? He ran away as I mentioned the police. Look, he has been with you for a long time.
No, Sanju. I want to live with you.
But now I don't want to live with you even for a minute.
Please forgive me. It was my old mistake. I'm sorry.
You call it your old mistakes? You are with him even after 2 years of marriage. And you call it your old mistake? You want shares in my company, right? And you want more property. Now you won't get a single sleeper from this house. Get out from here.
Sanju, please.
Get out. I bought these sleepers. Just leave it here and get out of here. Thank you, Pradeep, for bringing the truth. I wanted to tell you the truth on the first day itself, when I came to know about it. But ma'am scared me that if I tell you the truth, then she will send me to jail and she will also fire me. Then, how dare you today? I didn't want, sir, that someone else takes away your hard-earned money and keeps you in the dark. Sir, I have worked for you since childhood. I couldn't let this happen to you. Now you will stay in this house for the rest of your life. Not like a servant. but like my younger brother.
Thank you, brother.
Sir, your order?
Actually,
Hello? What are you doing there? Come here and take my order.
Sir, just a moment. Let me take his order first, then I'll come.
He is with me. No need to ask him anything.
If he's with you, then you can sit on the same table. This will be easy.
He is my driver. Now should I sit with my driver?
If he's a driver, so what? He's a human being, sir.
Don't give me lecture and take my order.
Sir, you tell me your order.
Don't you understand? I won't pay for it.
When did I ask for money?
madam, I don't have money.
It's okay, sir. This meal is from my side. Tell me what you will have.
One fried rice. That's it. Thank you.
I think you will shut down this cafe. For how long you will feed such people for free?
Till the time people like you with the small mindset exist?
You are talking bullshit. Think before you speak. Understood?
Yes, I'm thinking before I speak.
Alright. Just wait. Manager. Manager. Yes, sir. What kind of people have you hired? They don't even know how to talk properly.
To whom they misbehaved, sir?
To me.
Sir, you will be treated like the human being you are. If you misbehave, then you will get your answer.
What are you saying? Do you know who I am? If you keep behaving like this cafe won't run for long.
Don't tell me that how to run the cafe or not. I've been running it for 9 years. I have 12 more cafes than this. If you want to learn something, then learn it yourself. That how to talk to people, how to keep an employee. He works for you. He's not your slave. If you can't respect anyone, you don't even have the right to insult them. And brother, you, why do you work for people who can't even respect you? Work in a place where you get respect and money. Even if you get less money, but you should get full respect. You get paid to work, not to be insulted.
What are you listening to? Get the car out. We don't want to eat anything from here.
Sir, I am quitting your job. Here's the car key. You can go. I don't want to work for you.
Are you out of your mind? You're quitting your job because of all this? You will starve to death.
Why would I starve to death, sir? I used to work hard for you. If I go somewhere else, I'll also work hard there.
Then don't come back to me and say I made a mistake.
I won't come, sir.
You know that I don't know how to drive. How will I go home?
You can see that, sir.
I'll see you. You will starve to death.
Sir, I have quit my job. I don't know when will I get a new job, or maybe I'll get it or not.
Why won't you get it? Definitely you'll get it. How much was your salary there?
Sir, 12,000 rupees.
I'll pay you 15,000 rupees. Now you are my driver.
What, sir? Really?
Yes. Here's the car key. Your job starts from today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Eat something first, then we'll leave in a while. Ria, prepare his order.
Congratulations. I'll bring you fried rice.
Okay, ma'am. Hey, who are you and why are you looking into office?
My daughter works here.
Your daughter? What's her name?
Swara.
Okay, so you go inside and meet her or I'll call her out.
No, son. I will not go inside. If I'll go inside, my daughter will be greatly insulted. Everyone will see that her mother is from the village. She will be angry from me.
There is nothing like that. No one will judge you. Just come inside.
No, son, I can't go inside. Okay, can you do my one work? Give this money to my daughter and tell your mother came from village to give this money. She lives in city here. She has lot of expenses. Just do this work.
I will give her the money. You have come from such a far distance. So at least meet her once. I'll call her out. You wait.
Yes, sir. Mom, you here? Daughter, you wanted to insult me that you came to my office? No, I just came here to give you the money. What I told you? Send money in account, don't you get it? Daughter, actually, I don't understand working with accounts and all. And it's been 2 years I haven't seen you. I wanted to see you. You know how much rich people are working here? Someone will come to know that my mother is a villager. What value I'll have here? Yes, you don't be upset. I will leave. I wanted to see you. I just saw you. Take this money. Okay, fine, go from here.
Wait. Which respect are you talking about, Swara?
Sir, what I have in this office.
Whatever respect you had in this office, you have lost it by behaving like this with your mom. How did you get this job? How did you get here?
I did hard work for this, sir.
You can see your hard work, but you cannot see your mother's hard work. Your mother worked hard. She earned money. Then she paid your school fees, your college fees. You got food, you got a home. All your needs were met. After your father died, your mother took care of you and fulfilled all your needs. And your mom dedicated her whole life to you and gave you everything she had. And if she came out to your office today, would that insult you? You are not even meeting your mother properly because of the fear of what people will think about you or how they will judge you. If you are being insulted because your mother comes to the office, then you should be insulted even after taking this money. You want money from your mother, but you don't want mom. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I'm sorry, sir. Mom, please forgive me. I was so rude to you. I never came to meet you, or I called you here. Even I never spoke to you on call properly. Forgive me, mother. No, daughter. You don't cry. Be calm. Hey, I am not feeling bad. Be calm.
Swara, if you want to continue your job here, so there is a condition.
What, sir?
You have to accept your mom the way she is. You will have to give time to your mom and support her.
Sir, if you won't give me this job today, still I will be support for my mother. I will do everything for my mother what she did for me. I'm sorry, Mom.
Then fine. I'm giving you 3 days leave. Spend time with your mom and take her around Delhi.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
कि एक चांटे में तारे दिखा दूंगा तो आप उर्दू में कैसे कहेंगे? जनाब, अगर आपने आइंदा ये हिमाकत की तो हमारा हाथ आपके रुखसार को इस कदर सुर्ख कर देगा कि आपको आफताब की मौजूदगी में सितारों का दीदार हो जाएगा।
क्या कहते हैं?
लिहाजा हद में रहे।